Hey guys, this is our last unit or our last lesson for phase 2 of remote learning. We don't really have, we're not really going into notes or anything today. Y'all are going to be working on an assignment. I guess I'll take out the grade since we can't really grade it, but this is going to kind of act as like a test. Y'all are going to be working on putting together a surgical manual as a project. So what you guys are going to be doing, y'all are going to create an instruction and safety manual related to surgery, since that's what this past unit was about. I want you guys to go over, oh my goodness. There we go. I want you guys to go over like preparation for surgical instruments, like how they can be cleaned, how they should be handled. You can get into like surgical packs and how those are made up. Instrument safety. So pick at least like 5 common pieces of equipment. It could be like tools, it could be actual equipment, like whatever. 5 common pieces that are used during surgery, what they are, what they do, and how to use them safely. I want you to go over some pre-surgical stuff, like care for the animal, like some common things that are done before surgery for the animal, and then pre-surgical safety, common precautions that are taken before surgery. And then post-surgical care and safety as well, with essentially the same things, but like common things that are done after surgery, and then common precautions taken after surgery as well. I want you guys to also include like a citation sheet, because you don't, this is exactly the same thing that I just said. But y'all are free to use like the internet, PowerPoint, like whatever you guys are wanting to use to be able to put these things together, and then also include some pictures. You can do the safety manual in like a PowerPoint, a Word document. You can do it in like a physical format where you make like a physical book and submit pictures of that. I'm fine with however you guys want to put it together. But try to make it like about as thorough as you can. I'm interested to see like what you guys are able to put together. I wish this was something that we could get to do in class. But let me know if there's anything that I can do to help you guys put this together. Because this is the last thing that y'all are going to do for phase 2. I'll let you know what phase 3 of remote learning is going to end up looking like. Right now, I don't know. But when I find out, I'll let you guys know. It's probably going to be very similar to what we're already doing. So let me know what questions you guys have, how I can help you out. I mean, you guys know I'm relatively like an easy grader. Like, it's just hit the points, give as much information as you can. I'm not going to be like super nitpicky. I'm genuinely excited to see what you guys put together. Because you guys have basically free range over this project. As long as you include those things that I said, like you can include just about whatever else it is that you're wanting to include. So just let me know how I can help you guys, and I'll let y'all know how phase 3 ends up going and what we're going to be doing. Hopefully I'll get to see you guys soon. Take it easy.